Hi! In front of me is TCL 306 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings, scroll down and choose apps section. Now click on default apps and click on home app. After that, choose simple launcher by tapping on it, wait a bit and click on go. Now you need to click on Simple Launcher and tap on the switcher next to Allow Notification Access. Then choose Allow in the pop-up, click on Home button and as you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, you need to click on Settings, choose Apps again, Default Apps, Home app, but this time select Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!